Have you ever wondered why filtering streams in big data is so crucial? Let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. Big data is a term that signifies immense volumes of data, characterized by its three V's: volume, variety, and velocity. We're talking about zettabytes of data here, folks, originating from countless sources and in numerous formats, all zipping around at lightning speed. Now, imagine trying to make sense of this data deluge without any form of organization. It would be overwhelming, to say the least. That's where filtering streams in big data comes into play. By filtering, we're essentially sifting through this ocean of data, picking out what's relevant and discarding what's not. This not only makes data management more efficient, but also facilitates quicker processing. Without filtering, managing big data would be like trying to find a needle in a haystack. So, how exactly do we filter streams in big data? Well, it's not as complex as it might sound, but it does involve a few key steps. First and foremost, we need to identify the relevant data streams. It's like trying to listen to a single conversation in a crowded room. You need to focus on the specific voices that matter to you. Similarly, in the world of big data, we need to pinpoint the data streams that hold the information we're interested in. Once we've identified the relevant data, the next step is to clean it. Just like you wouldn't cook with dirty ingredients, we can't analyze dirty data. Cleaning involves removing any irrelevant or extraneous information from the data stream. This could be anything from redundant data, outliers, or even incorrect entries. The goal here is to ensure that the data we're working with is as accurate and relevant as possible. Now that we have our cleaned data, we can begin the process of filtering. This is where we apply specific algorithms to the data to filter it based on certain criteria. These algorithms are designed to sift through the data, separating the wheat from the chaff, so to speak. It's like using a sieve to separate the larger pieces from the smaller ones. And just like a sieve, these algorithms allow the data that meets our criteria to pass through while blocking the rest. But the process doesn't stop there. The beauty of filtering streams in big data is that it's a continuous and dynamic process. As the data streams change, so too does our filtering process. This allows us to adapt to the ever-changing landscape of big data, ensuring that we're always working with the most relevant and up-to-date information. In essence, filtering is like the gatekeeper of big data. It stands at the entrance, scrutinizing every piece of data that tries to get in. Only the most relevant and important data is allowed to pass through, ensuring that we're only dealing with the crème de la crème of information. Let's recap some of the key takeaways about filtering streams in big data. Filtering serves as a veritable gatekeeper in the realm of big data, skillfully managing the three V's: volume, variety, and velocity. It's the sieve that separates the wheat from the chaff, the essential from the extraneous, enabling us to focus on what truly matters. It's the lighthouse that guides us through the stormy seas of data, illuminating the path to insights and understanding. The process of filtering is a three-step dance. First, we identify the data streams of interest, those that hold potential for the insights we seek. This is akin to a miner marking out the veins of gold in a vast mine. Next, we cleanse the data, ensuring it's free from inconsistencies, inaccuracies, and any other forms of noise that could muddy our analysis. This is the scrubbing stage, where we don our gloves and scrub away the dirt and grime to reveal the gleaming nuggets of data beneath. Finally, we apply algorithms. These are our sophisticated tools, our picks and shovels, if you will, that we use to pry the valuable insights from the mountains of data. They enable us to filter the data in real time, dynamically adjusting to the ever-changing big data landscape. What sets filtering apart is its dynamic nature. Big data is a wild beast, constantly shifting and evolving, and our filtering tools need to be just as adaptable. They need to be able to evolve and adjust on the fly, responding to changes in the data streams with agility and precision. Through filtering, we can tame the beast, making it work for us rather than against us. We can convert the raw, untamed wilderness of big data into a manicured garden of insights, ripe for the picking. Ultimately, filtering is an indispensable tool in making sense of the big data landscape.